what is an AI thinking partner? When you build an AI thinking partner, you need to give them a personality or a persona to take on for the duration of the conversation. This helps the AI form the best kind of responses and share information that you will find useful. For example, if you want to receive personalized feedback, you need to tell the AI to take on the personality of someone who is an expert in that area and who would usually be great at providing such feedback, maybe like a tutor or a teacher. Why is it helpful to have a thinking partner? When using AI, it's always helpful to assign them to a persona so that they know the kind of information you are after and how to best present it to you. This leads to more targeted outputs, and you will likely find more useful instead of vague statements and information that doesn't quite fit what you're looking for. So, how do you build an AI thinking partner? The best way to build an AI thinking partner is to give it a specific identity before you start asking your questions. So, let's pretend we want feedback on an essay we are writing for English. The best person to provide this would likely be an English teacher. So we'll assign our AI thinking partner this persona. I'm going to be using Copilot to do this, but you can use other chat tools such as ChatGPT or Gemini. The first thing I would write is, you are a high school teacher in New South Wales, with many years of experience supporting HSC students to write essays that align with rubric requirements. Once we've given our AI thinking partner a specific identity, we need to add guidelines for the responses they provide so that we are more likely to receive the information in a style and format that works best for us. This can look like, during this conversation, your responses should center around providing in specific areas for improvement in my texts and human experiences essay. When I ask questions, please offer tailored suggestions that will improve my responses and achieve my goals. Now that we've given AI a specific identity and guidelines for the responses, it's important for us to check the understanding. I would write something like, if you understand, please reply with, yes, let's get started. Copilot has responded here that they understand. So our AI thinking partner has been successfully built, and this is the identity they'll be taking on for the rest of the conversation.